Mila, today is your first day at school. Are you ready?
I'm a little scared, Mom.
Don't be afraid, sweetheart. You will make new friends and learn many fun things.
Really, Mom? Can I make new friends?
Of course you can. Just smile and talk to everyone.
Okay, Mom. I will try.
I'm proud of you. Now, let's go to school.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready.
Excuse me, Miss Johnson. This is my daughter, Mila. Today is her first day at school.
Welcome. We're happy to have Mila in our class.
Thank you. She's a little nervous because everything is new for her.
That's perfectly okay.
That's completely normal. I'll make sure she feels comfortable and included.
I really appreciate that.
Of course. We want every student to feel welcome here.
Thank you for taking care of her.
It's our pleasure. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, bye.
Good morning, everyone. I'd like you to meet our new classmate, Mila. This is Mila. Today is her first day in our class. Let's all give Mila a warm welcome.
Welcome, Mila.
I hope you'll all be kind and help her feel at home.
We will.
Great. Now, Mila can join us, and we'll continue our lesson.
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name? Hi, my name is Mila. Nice to meet you, Mila. Nice to meet you too, Emma. Is this your first day here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to our school. Thank you.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Don't worry. Everyone here is friendly. That's good to hear. Which subject do you like the most? I like English and art. Me too! Art is my favorite subject. Really? That's awesome! Do you like drawing? Yes, I love drawing. Maybe we can draw together sometime. I'd like that. What do you like to do after school? I like reading stories and playing games.
Cool. I like reading stories too.
That's great!
If you need help, you can always ask me.
Thank you, Emma. That's very kind of you. You're welcome. I think we're going to be good friends. I think so too.
Good morning, class. Let's introduce ourselves to Mila. Please tell us your name and one thing you like. Let's start with Mila. Please tell us your name and one thing you like.
It's already 4:30 p.m. But where is Mila? Mila? Mila should be out by now. She usually comes early. Mila is not here. Mila? I think maybe she went inside? Excuse me. Have you seen Mila Muller? Do you mean the quiet girl with black hair? Yes, that's her. I think I saw her near the activity room. Thank you. It's okay. I will check there. Of course. Mila, honey, where are you? Mila, honey, where are you? I'm your mom. There you are. I was looking everywhere.
Mom!
Why are you hiding here? It's okay. You don't have to talk now. I didn't want anyone to see me. Why? Hey, what happened?
I cried.
Okay, you can share it with me.
There is a cultural program at school next week.
Yes, you told me. A little, friend.
It's a very big program. Everyone's parents will come. Teachers will watch.
I remember you were excited.
Yes, I was very excited before today.
Then what happened today?
Miss Kevin chose me first. She said I would be the lead.
That's wonderful, Mila. You have worked very hard for this.
But today she changed her mind. She chose someone else.
Did she explain the reason?
She said, I am comparatively less confident on stage.
That must have made you feel very bad.
Like I disappeared.
Sorry, that wasn't right. And it wasn't fair. I'm glad you were in a safe place.
I didn't want to go back home like this.
We can talk more at home. No rush.
Okay, Mom.
Did you sleep well last night?
A little.
That's good. It just needs to start.
Mom, what if I feel scared again?
Then we take a deep breath and try again.
What if everyone looks at me?
It's okay. There's nothing to worry about.
I don't want to fail.
I know you can do it.
Hey, how did school go today?
Dinner will be ready soon, dear.
I'm not hungry, Mom.
Mila, what's wrong? Why does she look so upset?
Mom, there is a cultural program at school. Mila has lost her main role. Mila, may I come in? Okay. Mila, didn't you eat dinner?
I wasn't hungry, Mom.
It's okay. Mila, what's scaring you?
What if Miss Kevin is right?
What do you mean?
Am I too shy for the stage?
Being quiet doesn't mean you are weak.
But the stage is very noisy.
Yes, sometimes silence is also courage.
Really?
Yes, stay calm. Courage is still courage.
Then I want another chance.
Then we try again, or try something different.
Okay.
Tomorrow will be hard, but you won't be alone.
Mom?
Yes? Thank you for coming to find me today.
I will always come looking for you.